Good day, everyone. Megan here with Flip Through number 2 for Create This Book by Moriah, Elizabeth, and me. I hope you're having a wonderful, happy Easter weekend. And let's get started. Create a page of garbage. I will be sharing these pages with you for in my next flip through. Number 3. Create a pet. Make this page into a pet. Don't forget to give it a name. I colored with pencil crayons and I used my sticker paper to make my pet. So bunny, cat, bird is my influences here. So cute. I named her Fritz. She's in her bedroom. I've got my butterfly stickers as picture frames hanging on the wall. I made a picture here for her, a lamp, her name, and a bed. And there you have it. Create a page of polka dots. Put polka dots on this page. So I wanted to incorporate what I've been using throughout this book. Scissors, craft glue, pencil crayons, pencil, and I put polka dots on them. And then this page I used printer paper, and then I used Sharpies and markers. I love using these, like using the supplies for markers. And I have my butterfly sticker in the middle. And just swirls of markers and Sharpies. Create a recorded conversation. Sit in a room with other people, write down everything you hear. I didn't do this because of the fact of the pandemic that's going on. I've been staying home with my family, and so my sister gave me the idea of searching on YouTube a podcast. The one I chose was Mile Higher Podcast number 106. 2 weeks ago from April 10th is when the video was uploaded. It's a girl and a guy conversating between each other about pop culture conspiracies was the title for this one. The first topic that they were talking about, I didn't really understand like the concepts and stuff like that and they were talking too fast, so I didn't write down that story. So the only thing I got from that was theories, very interesting. So their next big story is the coronavirus. And they were talking about that. So here's what I put for what they were conversating. It's become a pandemic in the last week. Global pandemic. It's gotten really bad really fast. It's blown up. It's gotten crazy. Disneyland closed today. You're getting infected at rapid rates. Some particles from a cough that you can get it. We've learned that the coronavirus can remain in the air for a few hours after it's put out. It can float there for a couple hours. Then it can stay on surfaces for a couple days, a new study found. Now I'm thinking about everything. The way I touch things in public, just everything I'm doing. Car handles, I'm washing my hands all the time now. It's crazy. This has gotten out of control fast. It's a huge concern for a lot of people, especially the elderly. They are being affected way more deaths. No children so far, right? The lady had asked, and he said, I'm pretty sure no one under 30 has died. I could be wrong, but I think it's been fatal to only older people. And they also said that Tom Hanks got positive for the coronavirus. Underlying conditions. Create an array of media. Draw one object over and over using a different medium each time. One drawing with marker, one with pen, one with pencil, etc. Note: if you are feeling extra adventurous, try using unconventional media like ketchup, chocolate, mud, or anything else you can think of. Here's my butterfly sticker. Ooh, I did not put my butterfly stickers on these pages. So let's do that. Okay, so I got my butterflies here now. There's one, and there's two. Sorry, just had to input that now that I looked at it and seen, because my butterfly stickers are on these pages. So I used different media, and I will be reading left to right. Crayola pencil crayon, Crayola crayon, Crayola marker, blue pen, gel pen, Sharpie, Sharpie highlighter, 2H pencil, oil pastel. Then I have Bic Bright Liner, fluorescent highlighter, Chocola, and Expo Dry Erase. Next page, Black India ink, watercolor paint. For this one, I used Mod Podge for the glue and put glitter on top. It's so pretty. I love this one. Then I have Daler-Rowney acrylic paint. This one I used Coca-Cola Soda Pop. I used my paintbrush and put the Coca-Cola there. Scrapbooking paper, hot glue, pipe cleaner, and then I used hot glue to stick it in on the page, Play-Doh, and then for the last one, I used mesh ribbon. The reason why I chose hearts is because I'm loving these prompts. I'm loving creating these different pages. It's so awesome. I'm having so much fun. This was a really fun pages to do. Next one, create folds. Fold this page any way you want, which I did, and then I unfolded it so I can show you guys. So I wanted to do scenery, and I folded these doors for the barn, and then I put stickers in, colored with pencil crayons and markers. There's a horse and a rooster. And then up top here, I have my butterfly sticker and a little chick. And that's what I wanted to for folding there. And then I just folded this page. And for the next page is create letters. Fill this page with letters. Use them for aesthetic value rather than writing words. So I actually Googled the definition of aesthetic because I didn't know what it meant. So it means, like, I actually have it wrote down. It means concerned with beauty, appreciation of beauty. So as you can tell, it looks beautiful. I love it. It is, yeah, I love it. So I just printed out the alphabet on this page and used pencil crayon as the background. And there's my butterfly sticker. Sorry, it keeps blurring. I don't know why it's doing that. So there you have it. And then for these ones, I did use reference photos for the font. I went to defont.com and I picked out different fonts and drew them out. HE is Happy Easter. I have my butterfly sticker there. SL is for my mom and dad. PMW is my family, so my hubby and my son and me. J, B are my two younger sisters. Are for, yeah, like for the initials for my family. And Q and R is my sister's fiance and my sister's husband. And there you have it. This is one of my favorites. I love this page. I use my scrapbooking paper and craft glued it in, cut it out to shape, and then I used my sticker paper for the letters. And there you have it. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and stay tuned for my next flip through. If you have any comments, please put them below. And if you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. You have a wonderful day. Happy Easter.